If your battery was flat, how would you get into your car? Do you know? Have you checked? Watch on. Good evening and welcome to the Halloween edition of Bentley on a Budget. Tonight we're going to be looking at a particular horror story that could be avoided if you just take a few simple steps before winter comes. Our first horror story tonight comes from Abby from the United States of America, who's found herself locked out of her own car because the battery's gone flat, the remote doesn't work, and now to add problem on top of problem, she can't get in because the key itself won't open the driver's door. This is a terrible time to find out. So what I would recommend that each and every one of you do is go out in the morning, in the daylight, before the zombies start knocking around, and try your blade key in the driver's door. Make sure that this opens the car, but beware, when it does, it's going to set the alarm off. So be ready to put it in the ignition and turn the ignition on. Now you might have a completely different problem with the same reason for it. A flat battery can also stop you from getting into the boot. Fortunately, there is an emergency access for this, and this is how you do it. Next, we're going to have a look at how we get into the boot release. So we'll just pull the seat forward a bit. Obviously quite difficult to do this with one hand, but we'll have a go. So you lift up the seat. First of all, put that somewhere safe. And when you get that up, you'll see this connector here, which needs to be removed. Then the back of the seat will lift out. We'll do that next. So once you remove the T30 Torx, you'll notice that the bottom of the seat will pull away, and as it does, the seat will slide down a little bit off its clip at the top. We'll have a look at that next. When you pull the seat away, you can see the tang on the back there, and that corresponds with a slot, a plastic slot in the back of the seat. Great, that's out of the way. You can now access the emergency release latch. Happy days. While you're thinking about it, winter is coming, and this is a bad time of the year to find out that your battery's not up to scratch. Check this video here to find out how you can get your battery tested and replace it if needs be. Also find out how to jumpstart your car in the event that you need to. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, I really appreciate it, and share it to other people who you might find useful as well. Thanks for watching and happy motoring.